Welcome back to our phonics lessons. This is another Set 2 sound lesson that wasn't recorded before, so I've recorded it for you this week so you can recap over the sound before you go on half term. Make sure you've got a pencil and some paper and make sure you're ready to start the lesson today. To start our lesson off, we are going to recap over our Set 2 sounds like we always do, but today I'm going to do it a little bit differently. So I am going to hold up the picture that we normally see on the back of our sound card, and you will have to tell me which sound that picture belongs to. So the first one is this one. Which sound does this picture belong to? It is or shut the door. Okay, the next one. What sound do we say with this picture? It is whirl and twirl. Fantastic if you got those two right. Okay, what about this one? This is start the car. Okay, the next picture is, this belongs to the sound may I play. Okay, right, let's speed it up. What about this one? This is air, that's not fair. Next one, this is E, what can you see? Well done if you're getting all of these right, fantastic. Right, oh, what about this one I just showed you? This is ow, shout it out. Okay, the next picture is, this is look at a book. Okay, we're nearly there. What about this picture? What sound do we say with this? This is I fly high. Well done. The next picture is blow the snow. Amazing. Okay, the next picture is oi, toy for a boy. And then the last picture is, this is poo at the zoo. Amazing, well done. So well done on recapping over our Set 2 sounds. Make sure you practice them every day and then you can practice them writing them down now before we start our lesson. So the sound that we're going to be looking at today, it had a picture of a polar bear on it. So is this the sound that we're going to be looking at? So we're not going to be looking at poo at the zoo. Okay. Is this the picture of the sound that we're looking at? This is the oi, toy for a boy. So that's not the sound we're looking at. What about this one? No, that is I fly high. Well done. Okay, what about this one? Is this the picture of the polar bear? No, this is look at a book. Amazing. Okay, what about this one? This is ow, shout it out. So that's not our sound. Okay, right, what about this one? No, this is air, that's not fair. Okay, this one? Do we think it's this one today? No, this is may I play. Okay, right, what about this one? Is this the one we're looking at today? No, that's E, what can you see? Okay, what about this one? Is this the one that I said we're looking for today? Fantastic, it is. So this sound is, shout it out for me. It is blow the snow. Fantastic. So this is the sound that we're going to be looking at today. So make sure you know how to say the sound and you know how to write it, because when it comes to our green words, you need to remember this is the sound that we are focusing on today. I'm going to say some words that have the O sound in them. So this is the O sound. So remember, blow the snow. You say it? Amazing. Okay, so I'm going to say some words with the O sound in them and then we are going to Fred talk them together. So make sure you are using your Fred fingers. Fantastic. Okay, so the first word is grow. G-r-o. Together. G-r-o. Grow. Fantastic. Okay, the next word is glow. G-l-o. Glow. Your turn. Again. G-l-o. Glow. Okay, the next word, at the moment I can see some of it outside, hopefully you can see some of it. It is snow. S-n-o. Snow. Again. S-n-o. Snow. Okay, our next word is show. Your turn. Fantastic. Let me say it. Show. Sh-o. Show. Your turn. Amazing. Okay, the next word is blow. B-l-o. Blow. And again. B-l-o. Blow. Okay, so we have Fred talked out some words with the O sound in them. Can you think of any words that have the O sound in them that I haven't said today? Now that we've done our Fred talking, it is now time to write those words down together. Okay, so the first word that we're going to write is the word grow. Can you Fred talk it out before you write it? So let's Fred talk it together. Grow. G-r-o. Grow. Okay, now you can write it by yourself. G-r-o. Grow. And then I will write it too. Remember to underline your O sound in your words. Okay, so that was our first word. G-r-o. Grow. Fantastic. Your next word is blow. B-l-o. Blow. And again, B-l-o. Blow. Now it's your turn to write it. And then I will write it on my board as well. Blow. B-l-o. Remember, if you find it a bit tricky to write the word, make sure you Fred talk it out so you can hear each sound in the words. Okay, so we've got B-l-o. Blow. G-r-o. Grow. So the next word is show. Sh-o. Show. Sh-o. Show. Okay, so I want you to write it and then I will write it on my board. So the next word was show. So what sound comes first? Sh. Fantastic. So it's sh-o. Show. Amazing. Well done for sounding that out so well. So we've got g-r-o. Grow, b-l-o. Blow, and sh-o. Show. Okay, the next word is glow. G-l-o. Glow. Say it with me. G-l-o. Glow. And now write it by yourself and then I will write it on the board so you can check your spellings. Make sure when you're writing all of your letters sit on your lines if you've got lined paper, and make sure your letters aren't too big or messy, because if they're messy you'll have to redo them again. So make sure you're taking your time with your letter formation. So the next word was glow, so it's G-l-o. Glow. Amazing. So let's read the words we've written down so far. So this one. Amazing. So our last word is show. Oh, we've already done show, sorry. The next word was snow. Sorry, snow. S-n-o. Snow. Again. S-n-o. Snow. Okay. And at the moment it's snowing, so it's a great word for us to write. So the next word is snow. So it's S-n-o. Okay, amazing. So it's S-n-o. Snow. So hopefully you've written those words down nice and neatly. If not, maybe try again and practice your letter formation and make sure you're taking your time, because remember, your handwriting needs to be nice and neat so I can read it when you submit your work onto Tapestry or Class Dojo. Now that we've done our green words, what comes next after the green words? Who can tell me? We need to practice our red words. Amazing. Well done if you remembered. So There are two new red words I'm going to introduce today, so make sure you're paying attention and you're looking and listening, because these are two words that we haven't used before and they're going to come up in our sentence writing later on. Okay, so the first red word and the first new one is there. Okay, so it's T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E spells there. So this we would say there is a show, there is a bee. So it's T-H-E-R-E spells there. I will leave it on the board for you to practice. Try and write it down as many times as you can, remembering to say each letter as you write it out. So it's T-H-E-R-E spells there. Okay, so I'll give you a few seconds to write that down. T-H-E-R-E. And during your spare time you can practice writing your red words so you get more familiar with them when you come to write. Okay, so there was our new red word. The next word is want. So it's W-A-N-T. Want. W-A-N-T spells want. W-A-N-T spells want. So the first word was there, T-H-E-R-E, and then the next red word that was new is W-A-N-T, want. So now I'll give you a few seconds to practice both of these red words. You can practice writing them, you can practice spelling them out, and you can also practice reading them. Now that we've looked at two new red words, we'll recap over the some that we've learned already. So the red word that I would like you to write now is the word to. How do we spell the red word to? It is T and O spells two. Fantastic, okay. So hopefully you've written two down like that. If you want, write it down as many times as you can before we move on. So I'll give you 3 seconds to finish. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so the next word you need to write is the word go. How do we spell the word go? It is G and O spells go. Fantastic, okay. So T and O spells to and G and O spells go. So hopefully you've written the word to and the word go. And then there's one more red word that we need to write, and that is the. Everyone should know how to write the word the. The we spell T-H-E spells the. Really, really easily. T-H-E spells the. So hopefully you've written down to, go and the. And remember, always write neatly so I can read it when you submit your work. Now we're going to use our two new red words in some sentences. So I'm going to say the sentence and then you're going to help me write it. Once I've written it, I will rub it off and then you will have a chance to write it yourself, okay? So the first sentence is, there is a glow. There is a glow. So how many words are in that sentence? We've got there is a glow. So there's 4 words in that sentence. So what word comes first? It's our new red word, which is the word there. So can you remember how to spell the red word there? Don't worry, it's a new red word, so it will take us a while to practice. So there, it's T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E spells there. So there is. Let's thread talk the word is. Is. So is a red word or a green word. It is a green word. So is. I need to write that, remembering my finger spaces. So there is. T-H-E-R-E spells this. Spells there, sorry. T-H-E-R-E spells there. Is. There is. There is a. So a is another red word. So let's read it so far. T-H-E-R-E. There is. There is a. There is a, what was my last word? Glow. So let's Fred talk the word glow. G-l-o, glow. Again, g-l-o, glow. Amazing. So the first sound is g. Amazing. G-l-o. Remember, I'm underlining my sound and a full stop at the end. So let's read the sentence together. There is a glow. There is a glow. Fantastic. Okay, so now I would like you to try and write that by yourself. Remember to spell out the new red word and make sure you've got finger spaces in between your words, and hopefully you make sure your presentation is nice and neat. We've now got a really long sentence for us to write, so hopefully you're paying attention and you're looking and you're watching as I'm writing, okay? So I'm going to say the sentence and then we'll write it together. Okay, so the sentence is, I want to go in the snow. Let me say it again. I want to go in the snow. So how many words are in that sentence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 7 words in my sentence. So I want to go in the snow. So the first word is I. Amazing. And we know I is a red word. So I is a capital I. So I want. So want is our new red word. So we need to write it. So how do we spell the red word want? It's W-A-N-T. I want. W-A-N-T spells want. I want. I want to. So is to a red word or a green word? It's a red word. Fantastic. So how do we spell the word to? T and O spells to. So I want to. I want to go. Fantastic. And how do we spell go? G and O. Amazing, you're doing so well. I want to go. I want to go in. So in is a green word, so we need to Fred talk it. In. I want to go in. I want to go in the. And that is a red word again. T-H-E spells the. Fantastic. I want to go in the what? Snow. So that's Fred talk snow. S-N-O. Snow. And again, S-N-O. Snow. And at the end of my sentence is a full stop. So let's read it together. I want to go in the snow. Snow. So that's a very long sentence, and make sure you take your time with writing it. So your sentence is, I want to go in the snow. Once you've written those sentences, take a picture and upload it onto Class Dojo or onto Tapestry. Now it is your turn to write some sentences of your own. So I've got a challenge for you. So I've got some words with the O sound in them. I would like you to come up with your own sentences and make sure you write them nice and neatly. If you don't want to, I will give you some sentence starters and some words that you can put together to make your own sentence. But I think all of you can try a challenge. So the words that I would like you to use in some sentences is g-r-o, grow, g-l-o, glow, s-n-o, snow, sh-o, show, f-l-o, flow, b-l-o, blow. So these words you can use in your own sentences, so make sure you write them nice and neatly, and I cannot wait to see what sentences you come up with. If you've finished the challenge and you want to do some more writing, here are some sentence starters that you can use and some words with the O sound in them. You can put them together and make some more sentences by yourself. When you've finished, don't forget to take a picture of your work and upload it onto Class Dojo or onto Tapestry. I cannot wait to read the sentences you've come up with.